Step number 1. Open up and place the pod into the drawer. Step 2 is you choose whether you want your water to come out hot or cold. That's because you've got a variety of different drinks available, and it does include iced coffees and iced teas. So all I do is I turn the lever to hot. Step 3. Stop the flow of water when you've reached the desired amount. Now it's got a 0.8 litre capacity for water, and it also has a pressure pump which delivers up to 15 bars. So with the pod you get the perfect delivery each and every single time, depending on what coffee or drink you're after.